Hello, I'm back. Today I'm going to try and eat a ghost pepper chili. Why am I doing this? Well, it's to build my tolerance up so when I go back to the Philippines I will be able to eat more foods and try hotter foods. That's the reason I'm doing it. It's not for challenges, but I'm just going to try them. Right. There is the ghost pepper. I have rehydrated it a bit. It looks gnarly, as I say. Right, this is going to hurt. I know it is. Right, here we go. Straight away, hot. You guys chew it for 30 seconds. Oh. 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 Start the clock. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Oh. Oh, it is hot. Yeah. Boy. Baby. Boy. It's getting worse. Straight when you put it in your mouth. Oh my God. Oh, it's fucking hot. Oh, it always hurts. I got some milk left. Hey, fat fuck. Oh, I don't know. It's hitting the. It's starting to hit the stomach now. The heat. It's attacking the throat now. Oh, the stomach's starting to get hot. Now don't play this loudly outside because it'll sound like a porn movie. And when you burp it comes was up the... Oh, oh, hey. Oh, it's coming back. Oh, my nose is starting to run a bit. Oh, that was painful. Oh, oh, it's still burning. Wow. Oh, it wasn't bad as a Carolina Reaper, but oh, it's hot. And then when you talk, it's it's hot. I don't feel like I want to be sick, but it's pain. My teeth are cold. Oh, it's starting to... No, it's not. I thought it was starting to ease, now it's coming back. Hey, wow. But as soon as you put it in your mouth, it's an it's just hits you straight away. That's better. It's the tongue is the most of the brunt. Oh, I've done the 5 minutes. That feels better. Oh. There's a bit of a smoky feel to it. Smoky taste. Oh, my lips are burning now. I might spew up later because my body might purge it like it did with the Carolina Reaper. 4.5 hours later, the pain in my stomach was unbelievable. It was still hot. Capsaicin, ooh, it's a bugger. 1 million Scoville units in this. Round about 900 Scoville to 1 million, apparently. Wow, that was a bugger. Not as powerful as the Carolina Reaper though. As I said, that was 4.5 hours later, and it hit me like a freight train. The pain just rises in your stomach till you burp, then it goes down again, then it rises again, then you burp, and it eases off a bit, and then all of a sudden it goes boom, and then I have to run in the toilet and I have to purge it, because it had been lying on my stomach. Of my own fault, I didn't have nothing to eat. It was really painful. I never had any pain like that in my life. So I know next time, because I will do a Carolina Reaper again, but this time I will have something to eat. My lips are numb, my tongue, it's starting to go away now. My arsehole's going to feel it next morning. That's if I don't purge it. That's if it comes back up. Because may well do, I don't know. Ooh, the pain in my stomach's gone. It's eased off because of the milk. It's a weird tasting chilli. It's earthy, with a slight, I don't know, is it like I don't know if it's citrus or, well, to me it was like a, I don't know, it was a slight sweet taste in it, but it was more smoky and earthy. Well, that's gone off. That wasn't good. That was good fun, wasn't it? Well, bye bye.